Since the 1930s, the state of Louisiana has lost approximately 2,000 square miles of land. And as a result of that land loss, our communities where people live and work are more susceptible to strengthening storms and hurricanes. The state of Louisiana over the last several years has developed a coastal master plan. It's a 50-year, $50 billion plan that aims to restore and protect our coast. And GIS has been very involved in the engineering and design of many of the projects that are called for within the state's coastal master plan. If you look at projects like the Morganza to the Gulf Hurricane Protection System, which protects Terrebonne and Lafourche parishes from strengthening storms and hurricanes, over $1 billion worth of work has been implemented by the state of Louisiana, local parishes, and levee districts. And the overwhelming majority of that work has been engineered and designed by GIS Engineering and the men and women that work within this company. And if you look across South Louisiana, many of the other hurricane protection systems that were authorized by Congress previously or are currently working through the authorization progress, GIS Engineering is working with those parishes, working with those levee districts to engineer and design systems that will lower their risk and protect them where their families live and work from strengthening storms and hurricanes. And so over the next several years, there's going to be billions of dollars worth of work that's put on the ground across South Louisiana, from Cameron, Calcasieu, and Vermilion parishes through South Central Louisiana, going into the greater New Orleans area, St. Bernard and Plaquemines Parish as well. And GIS's footprint is expanding all across those areas to provide the technical services that allow for those projects to be implemented.